My reality in Nesto, the truth I never posted.
Small grocery struggles abroad.
They post grocery hauls, but let me tell you mine. This is what it's like when your wallet has only 12 dirhams and you're inside Nesto, just trying to survive.
1. I wasn't shopping, I was calculating.
I walked each aisle like I had a choice, but I was just counting.
Bread, $2.50.
Eggs, $7.99. Milk maybe next week.
2. I pretended to check my phone, but I was checking math in my head.
If I buy this, can I still ride the metro?
Or should I walk home again in the heat?
3. I smiled at the cashier like everything was fine.
But inside I was praying, please don't let it go over, I don't want to return anything again.
4. I held the basket like it was full, but it only had 3 items.
And even that felt like a blessing.
5. I left Nesto that day with no bag, no extras, just enough to stay full for one more night.
Not full of food, just full of hope that maybe next month would be better. If you've ever stood in Nesto praying your total doesn't go over 12 dirhams,
If you've ever felt shame for putting something back on the shelf,
if you've ever walked home hungry so you could eat tomorrow,
that's not weakness.
that's survival.
And nobody claps for it.
But you deserve applause just for making it through the day.
Want to upgrade your tiny space without spending a fortune? I found some amazing low-priced products that bring style, comfort, and smart solutions perfect for small homes and container living. From space-saving furniture to beautiful decor and handy travel gear, all budget-friendly. Check out the description below to see these affordable picks that could really change your space.